I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to any Android device such as a tablet or an Android phone. So for this video, I'm using the ITEL B33. The first thing I want you to do is head on to settings and then look for Bluetooth and turn your Bluetooth on. As you can see, we don't have any available devices over here. Pick your PS4 controller and then press on the PlayStation button and the share button on the top left corner over here at the same time. And as you keep pressing on it, you can see that a flashlight will be blinking, and then once it's blinking on the pad, I want you to pick a phone and head on to settings and then straight to Bluetooth. And as you can see, we have wireless controller device available here. So you click on it and then it will start pairing in, and once it's paired, you could see it is written here connected. So that's simple. You connect your device to your PlayStation controller and it's pretty simple. So once it's connected, this light will turn on and you can play games on your device such as Call of Duty, Asphalt, FIFA and the rest. You can also navigate through the phone using just a pad, and like as you can see, here is how we are navigating through the apps using just the analog stick. You can also select apps using just a pad, and as you can see, let's select TikTok and you just hit the R1 button and then it opens TikTok for you. As you can see, I'm not connected to the internet now, so we don't have any video available to play, and that's it. It's pretty cool. So if you really learned something from this video, I want you to give this video a like and also check out my other videos and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in my next one.